Holy smokes.
Milo.
Don't cut Milo.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that in the
Alrighty, we've got the holy mackerel. This box is heavy. Holy crap! I'm sorry.
Again. Holy smokes.
Milo.
Don't cut Milo.
She was comfy under there. Oh, there's enough tape. Peekaboo, peekaboo.
Tape for the love of Pete.
Something black.
Oh, what in the world? It's heavy, guys.
It's heavy, whatever's in here.
Oh,
Oh.
let's pull it out.
Does it say anything?
It is a air mattress.
Instructional. Hold
Air
on.
mattress. No?
Here. I think that's what it is, an air mattress.
It's an air mattress, guys.
I mean, if we can find a name, I have a thing over here. So, hold on. I just want to see what this says, my love. Inflatable something. Compact twin.
A twin mattress. What else we got, honey?
One buddy chair pickleball.
Come on.
Pickleball.
Take a ball. Uh-oh. It's another mystery.
You guys are on TV, you know.
Good girl.
Ow.
She love her
Oops,
mama.
sorry.
She love her mama.
Is there something good in there?
What's in this
Oh,
mystery
there's
box?
4 boxes. What do you got?
Uh-oh. Box and a box and a box and a box and a box. What Pete is this? Oh, we got one of these.
It says track lighting heads.
So we don't have the other pot that this plugs into.
Hey, shh, shh.
We don't have the other end that this plugs into, as far as I know.
Well, there's 4 of them in this box.
Maybe somebody can use these out there. I don't know.
Whew. We're going to be diving in soon.
Let's see what we got in here, guys. When I see fabric, it's my life's business.
But I don't think this is... No.
It's a kind of fabric.
It's a netting.
Oh.
Do you know what I mean? Like to
Yeah,
go over if you're outside and don't want to get eaten up by the bugs. It's some kind of netting.
And here's what I need. A back brace.
Yeah.
Extra large. What in the world is that?
Women's shapewear.
Alright. So that's the end of that.
He always hands me.
When I see fabric, I don't know. What in the world is this? One of those exercise equipment.
Oh, like we don't have enough of that outside.
Some exercise equipment.
Shh.
What do you got, honey?
I don't know. I think it's a curtain. I think. I'm not sure. Oh no, it's a shirt.
That's a shirt?
Yeah. And double extra large.
I was gonna say, for a large person.
Very big white button-down
Yeah, white
shirt.
button-down shirt. So we got that.
A pair of capris,
Oh.
extra large. No, medium. Yeah, this is a nice leash.
Oh my God.
This is a heavy-duty
Hey,
leash.
Milo ain't gonna pull you down the road with that one.
No, she pulls me down the road.
Oh, Chloe pulls mommy down the road.
Yeah, this is a heavy-duty leash.
Still going, guys.
Imagine if we got the high piece count.
Uh-oh.
Oh, these are iron-on. Is it Lululemon?
Fanny pack.
No, I already have one of those upstairs. These are iron-on letters. And numbers. Yep, iron-on.
Iron-ons. Let's see. Let's keep digging, guys. It's the box that never stops giving.
Oh, it just keeps going and going.
You go, and I go.
Oh, this has dog and cat on it.
Uh-oh.
Kumazy.
What? Oh, it's a vape. I don't know. Oh, what is this?
We watched this guy on YouTube.
Oh.
His name is Jack, but they call him Puddin'. And he always has these funny catchphrases. And he says, what in the
mocky and funky bunch is going on with us here?
Yeah, I love him. He's so funny. Oh, this is one of them dog bowls that it can slow feeder dog bowl because they have to try to get it out of the.
It's a sprinkler.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's a nice sprinkler, guys.
We're gonna need that for the backyard.
Yeah. That's an awesome sprinkler.
Doggy dish.
Awesome sprinkler, doggy dish.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
Oh, I don't want to sit on Chloe. She wants to. Not me. What you got there?
I have no idea. No idea at all. What is it?
But it's furry.
It's a gorilla costume.
Oh, I got it. This is an extra large. I'm trying this on.
I don't know what this is, but
It's got the hands and everything. Oh my God.
I don't know. It looks, I don't know.
I don't know. Should I try this on?
Yeah, put on the gorilla. Oh, it's got the hands and
Yeah,
everything.
I
Look
saw
at
that.
her. I don't know, you might scare her.
Nah, that's not gonna fit me.
Oh no, that's a kid size.
Alright, sorry guys, it's a gorilla costume.
What do you have, my love?
I got, of course, we just bought a security camera, and we got one on a pallet.
I mean,
Imagine that.
it just got delivered like 3 days ago. I surprised him with it. And a Ring doorbell. If there's a Ring doorbell in here, I'm gonna scream.
Yeah, this is brand new. Let me just check it out, guys.
Do you like that one better than the one I got you?
Look, it's still factory sealed. No, because you got the one for me, and that's what I love, because you got it from me. Here we go. Pull a couple more things out.
This is heavy.
There we go.
Electronic doorknob.
Oh. Yeah. I mean,
Jeez, I thought it was cool. This thing is
Holy
heavy.
crap. It's an
Look.
electronic doorknob.
Yeah.
Good night.
And I'll tell you what, it is heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy.
Look at this, guys. AC Delco. We got a brand new water pump for a small block Chevy, the Vortec. This alone is worth $150. Easy. It is.
Wait, I think this is a soap dispenser that you wave your hand under like this.
Motion sensor.
Because there's a charger thing in there, but I don't see where to charge it.
Let me see. It does say motion sensor.
But where do you plug it in?
I'm still looking.
This is nice.
Motion
Gonna
sensor.
look this up.
Soap dispenser. You can put Kool-Aid in there. Whatever you want to come out, just rub your hand underneath that. Oh, you know what we're gonna do? Put melted chocolate in there.
No.
Check it out, guys. It's a 24 karat gold
Plated.
compass. Look at that compass. We're in the Northeast, so I don't know where it's going, guys. Hello, Pete. Look at this thing. If you've lost your way in life, we got your compass. We'll get you back on track.
Hand wrap.
Oh, it's a hand brace.
Yeah, hand brace.
Yeah. A brace for your hand. In case you got that Pac-Man thumb going on. You know.
Or for me, like typing like I do all day.
Alright, let's grab some more stuff out of this, guys. It's your business. I can't
Oh, come on, over here. Come on.
We got more stuff, guys. Don't leave.
Telling you, this is the never-ending palette.
So the pallet just keeps on giving. Got some happy Halloween box. This will be firewood for our camping trip.
Ooh. This is some kind of magnetic mount for the phone. Says it's compatible with iPhone and Android. Oh, that can go with the cute little lamp.
I got the cute little lampshade. Uh-oh. So we got a green lampshade. It's a little teeny tiny.
Gray, it's
little
green.
Lamp. Gray? No, I said green.
Oh, I thought you said gray.
Nope. 7 USB chargers. And it has a USB charger
And
you
look.
plug in.
It has two different, it has this one that goes onto here. And then
Well, we're going to keep this.
we're getting to the bottom. There's some big boxes over here. I'm excited. Ooh, big boxes. What is this? Bag to keep stuff
Cooler.
cold. Yeah. Like
There's
baby,
my tuna fish bag.
oh,
for my
baby
sandwiches.
bottles. That
No,
was too.
tuna fish sandwiches for the road trip.
So
I love my tuna fish.
I made my hubby tuna fish sandwiches when he was working, and then so he brought them to work, and then he fell and he got hurt at work, and
Not the first time.
they were in his locker,
How
and
many months?
they didn't know, and he was out of work for like 3
6
months.
6 months.
The first time.
Yeah.
6 months. And so, things started crawling out of his locker. And they had to call and get it cleaned up. It was
I
terrible.
didn't try to get hurt. It just happened,
So-
guys. We're getting into some mystery, guys. We're getting into some mystery.
Shoes? No, it's not shoes. I have a very bad addiction to shoes and pocketbooks.
Oh.
And clothes. I cannot tell why.
Okay. You open everything, honey.
Herb scissors.
Herb scissors.
Herb scissors.
You can cut your herbs up. Now
Wow,
if
these
they're,
are pretty cool.
now if they're legal in Rhode Island,
Look,
you can cut up your herbs.
I do in a garden, so
You can cut up your herbs.
look.
It's a plastic organizer.
All the drawers are falling out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Plastic organizer. And last, but certainly not least,
Here you go, hubby.
let's see if this thing is used. I already see what it says on there, so I'm sure it's used. I mean, look at the state of this thing. For the love of Pete. Good night. I can already see what it says. Well, I mean, it doesn't look used.
So you gonna tell him what it is?
This is an ozone machine. So if you have a car that you bought from Copart or anywhere like that, and it stinks like smoke or BO, you put this in there and then you let it run and it'll make it smell better. It'll take the stink out.
Oh.
They'll probably sell this.
Can I say hi to everyone, Chloe and
Pretty
Milo?
badass. So it's an ozone machine for your car, guys.
Yeah.
For the love of Pete.
So,
Yeah, that's about it.
that is it. That was this whole palette. Hundreds of things.
Yeah.
Will we make our money back? Yes, we will.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. There's one more thing I want to show you, so hold on one second.
Uh-oh.
Missing the bottom and missing one wing.
I think the one wing is outside.
But I stick the bubbles in like this, and I turn it on.
Uh-oh.
Woo!
It's like a
bubble
rave.
maker.
It's a rave party. Oh, we need some.
Bubble! Alrighty, so that was our palette video.
$450 pallet, guys. Milo.
So if you liked watching this video, we'll be getting some more palettes.
Yeah, of course. We
Please.
gotta get rid of some stuff, though.
Yeah, we have to get rid of some stuff. Hopefully the weather is starting to warm up. We're gonna have a huge yard sale.
Yep.
Can't wait. So please like, comment, share, and the most important, subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate it, huh, Chloe? Say yes. Yes. So we're gonna let you go for now, and we'll see you on the next one.